Ashamkam grade 6. I hope you will be fine. Yesterday we covered question number 4, 5, 6 of exercise number 11a. Now, dear students, we are going to solve exercise number 11b on page number 163. Dear students, in this exercise we find the bisector of line segment and draw the perpendicular of a line. How we can bisect a line segment and how we will draw the perpendicular of line segment. For this, dear students, in short, I will introduce and I'm telling you that bisecting means bi means two and secting means part. So in this question we will divide a line segment into two parts. Clear, students? In this exercise, we will divide a line segment into two parts. Now, students, how we can divide into two parts a line segment? For this, I will solve the question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise number 11b and I hope you will understand. Okay? So, dear students, statement of question number is draw a line segment of length 4.8 cm. Bisect it using ruler and compasses and measure the length of each part. First of all, in this question, we will draw a line segment 4.8 cm. Then we will divide that lines into two parts by using compass and ruler. At the last step is we will measure the length of these two parts. Okay, students, now we will draw a line segment 4.8 cm. So we will draw here 4.8 cm the line segment. This point, from this point to 4.8, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. This is the 4.8 cm. 4.8 cm. I will give the name of this line segment AB. Clear? Now we will bisect this line segment. Bisect means we will divide this line segment into two parts. According to the question, we will use scale and compass. How we can divide into two parts this line segment by using the compass. So dear students, we open this compass. What is the half? Dear students, first of all we will find the half of 4.8. The half of 4.8 is 2.4. Look here, we will divide 4.8 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. So we will open this compass more than 2.4. We open the compass more than half of our length. So it's up to you, dear students. You will open in the compass 2.5 cm, 3 cm, 3.5 cm, 4 cm, 4.7 cm. Okay, so not more than 4.8 and not equal to 4.8, less than 4.8 cm and more than 2.4 cm. So I will open 3 cm compass. I will open 3 cm of compass, 3 cm of length, and draw an arc up and down of 3 cm. Same, I will take A as a center and draw again an arc of 3 cm. This arc intersect previous arc. Okay. Now we will join these common point. We will join these points and name these points. This point is C and this point is D. Clear, students? Now we'll join these points and give the name of these points C and D. The bisector of line AB is CD. The second step is we will measure the value of each part. So length of A, this common point is M. Now we will measure the length of AM and BM. So we use scale and measure the length of, look students, this is 2.4 centimeter. Okay, AM is 2.4 centimeter and MB is also 4.2 centimeter. It is clear, 2.4 centimeter. It is clear that both sides have 2.4 centimeter length. 2.4 centimeter length. This is the bisector of a line segment. Clear, students? So we will write here. So
Okay, 6th class, now we will write the step of construction of this question. First of all, we draw the line segment AB. So first step is draw measurement of AB, line segment AB, which is equals to 4.8 centimeter. Okay, second step is with A as center and a radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs, one on each side of AB, one on each side of line segment AB, like this. Look here, up and down. Clear? Now third step is with B as center. Same step of construction with center as center and a radius, same radius. Okay, for which radius we used for A at point A, so same radius at point B, a radius as before and a radius as before. Draw another two arcs to cut the previous arcs at point C and D. Clear? Now fourth point is join. Now we join point point C to D. Produce CD line segment in both directions to form CD, align CD. So dear students, line CD intersect intersect line segment AB at point M. So AB is bisect. A line segment AB is bisected at point M. This is proper solution with step of construction of question number 1.
Okay, 6th class. Now question number 2 is draw line segment AB of length 5.2 centimeter. Draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. There is 5.2 centimeter is the length of line segment AB, and we will draw the perpendicular bisector. We have already discussed that bisector means two equal parts and perpendicular means angle of 90 degree. Okay, so first we will draw AB is 5.2 centimeter. Dear students, AB is 5.2 centimeter. Look here, AB is 5.2 centimeter. This is AB 5.2 centimeter, and now we will draw perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector in short is bisector. So we have already find out the bisector of a line segment in question number 1. So in question number 2 we open the compass more than half. What is the for this we will find the half of 5.2. So dear students, what is the half of 5.2? We will divide this 5.2 by 2. Look here, 5.2 over 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 carry, 0.26 are 12. 2.6 is the half of 5.2. So we will open the compass for 2.6 more than half. So we will open 2.7, 2.8 up to so. It's up to you. Less than 5.2 and more than 2.6. So I will open the compass 3 centimeter on the length of 3 centimeter. Okay, and mark two arcs up and down by taking 2 points A and B. First arc, and now I will mark other arc. These arcs join each other, that is a common point, and now we will join these common points like this. So the the bisector point is M. So this is the required perpendicular bisector. How we can say that this is the perpendicular bisector? Dear students, this is the straight line. This line is perpendicular because this is the line for 90 degree. So which is required perpendicular bisector. You will check it after measuring the AM and MB. Now we will check it. The length of AB is 2.6 centimeter and same MB is also 2.6 centimeter. This is proof that this is the exact bisector of AB. So which is required perpendicular bisector, and this is the answer of question number 2.
Okay, 6th class. Now step of constructions of question number 2 are: first of all we draw a line segment AB of 5.2 centimeter. So I will write here, first point is draw a line measurement of AB which is equals to 5.2 centimeter. Second point is with A as center Same step of construction as question number 1. So with A as center and any suitable radius, draw an arc, same with B as center and same radius, draw draw arcs which cut previous arc at point M and N. Dear students, I will mark here this point M. We give another name. So P and Q. So I will write here arc at point P and Q. Now fourth point is join P and Q, which is required perpendicular bisector of line segment AB, which is equals to 5.2 centimeter. So dear students, this is a step of constructions of question number 2.
Okay, 6th class. Question number 3 is draw a line segment AB of length 6.4 cm. Bisect it perpendicularly. Mark the point of bisection by L. First we will draw the line segment 6.4 cm and bisect the line segment. The common bisecting point, intersecting point, we will give the name L. Then now bisect AL perpendicular at AM, measure the AM. So for this, first of all, we will draw a line segment AB 6.4 cm. So dear students, 6.4 cm, we will draw a line segment 6.4 cm AB. This point A and this point B. This is 6.4 cm. 6.4 cm. Now bisect this line segment. What is the half of 6.4? So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. 3.2 is the half of 6.4. Now we will open the compass more than half. I will open the 4 cm compass. Look here, this is the 4 cm. So, and draw an arc up and down. And now again draw an arc at point. So from both sides we will draw arc. These cut each other. Now we will join these arc from the common point. Look here, this is a perpendicular bisector because we have already learned in question number 1 and 2. This point is L. According to the question, this point is L. Now we have AL. In the question, we will bisect again the line segment AL. So what is the length of this line? We will find out. We will measure. The length of this line is 3.2 centimeter. This is 3.2 centimeter. Now we will bisect AL. For this we find the half of 3.2 centimeter. So 3.2 over 2. 3 1s are 3.6. This is the 1.6. So I will open 2 centimeter. I will open compass of length 2 centimeter and bisect this point. We draw arc at take point A and L as a center one by one and draw the arc. These arcs intersect each other and join these arcs. This perpendicular bisector intersect line segment AL at point M. Now we measure the length of AM. This is 1.6 centimeter. The length of AM is 1.6 centimeter, which is the required length. So line segment AM is equals to 1.6 centimeter. So this is the answer of question number 3. Dear students, today we covered question number 1, 2, 3 of exercise number 11B. Dear students, I hope you will practice them by heart. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, 6th class. Now steps of construction of question number 3 are: first we will draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB which is equals to 6.4 centimeter. Then with center A, draw an arc of suitable radius Now same third step, with center B, draw arc of same radius which cut previous arc at point N and O. Look here, join N and O. Okay, now fourth point. Now dear students, we will bisect AL. Now with A as center, mark an arc of suitable radius Same process with point L. With L as center, mark arc which cut previous arc at P and Q. Join P and now dear students, join P and Q. So dear students, this line PQ bisect line segment AL at point M. We will find out the length of AL, which is equals to 1.6. So measurement of AM is equals to 1.6 centimeter, which is the required length. Okay, 6th class. Now we are going to solve multiple choice of unit number 11 on page number 164. The first option is: a line and a line segment refer to the same straight line. Its mean a line and a straight line refer mean हवाला देना. So refer to the same straight lines. First option is true. Second is depend on the measurement. Third is sometimes, and fourth is false. So correct answer is false, because line segment is a part of line. It is not equals to line. So they both are not refer a straight line. Now second part is a line segment may be longer than a line. No, never. Correct option is never, because dear students, line segment is a part of a line. So part of everything is smaller than the original object. Okay, so line segment is smaller than a line. In the given figure, look students, this is a figure, this is a line. So first option is LM less than PQ. What is LM? L from here to here. This is less than PQ. No. This is false, because this LM is longer than the PQ. Next option is LM greater than PQ. Yes, it is true. LM is greater than PQ. So correct option is LM greater than PQ. Now next is, which of the given angles cannot be drawn by a pair of set square? We have already learned about the pair of set squares in introduction. We can easily draw the angle of 30 degrees, 60 degree and 45 degree. But there is 15 degree which we cannot draw with the help of pair of set squares. So correct option is option D. And the next and last question of last multiple choice is, a protractor is used to measure. It is also we have already learned a protractor is used to draw angles and measure angles. So straight arc, we cannot measure arc with the help of protractor, because we mark an arc with the help of compass. Straight line, we will draw straight line with the help of ruler. So correct option is C. We use protractor to measure the angles. Clear? So dear students, today we solved exercise number 11B, question number 1, 2 and 3 with the multiple choice of unit number 11. I hope you will practice them by heart. Take care. Allah Hafiz.